guys, so today I have a different kind of video. I know I've done mostly book related videos because this technically was supposed to be a booktube channel, but I also have a couponing channel, and I decided instead of having two individual channels that I was going to just mesh it into one. You might be wondering why I'm holding scissors. I'll get to that in a second. So anyways, I decided to make them into one channel. So today's video is not going to be book related. I'm sorry if you're not into like couponing or saving or anything like that. I will be uploading a mixture of both. So if you are interested, I'm glad. If not, I'm sorry. So anyways, I'm going to be doing an unboxing today. Lately, the last few months, I've been ordering a lot of stuff from Walgreens.com. Again, as you guys might know, I'm a couponer, and saving money and all that stuff is super important to me, super fun to me. I used to go out to the stores like CVS, Walgreens, Target, use physical coupons, go get the product, go to the register, blah blah blah. But the last like year or so, I kind of stopped doing that. There's still plenty of great deals out there that you can get, but I found it to be so much of a hassle of like checking out. The cashiers I always had to deal with were so rude. They didn't know their own coupon policy. They said this coupon isn't valid even though it rang up. They said the sale's not valid, blah 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 blah. And I got sick of like arguing with like cashiers, so I decided to look into alternatives of couponing, which is clearance. Like, who doesn't love clearance? I don't know. So at first it started off with like going to Target. Has really good clearance most of the time, so I like know my Target store. Like, I know exactly where all the clearance is. So I started to go like through and try and find the best clearance. And then I discovered, well, I didn't discover, I already knew about online like clearance, but I was just on Walgreens.com for some reason, and I was looking at their clearance items, and wow, like every week it changes, and they have amazing deals. You can use coupons online. You can only use them once per like purchase, but still they have point system. Well, this purchase was a total of $37 and some change, but I had $35 in points to use, so it ended up costing me like $2.72 for all of this. I know not everybody has points to use, but if you do, or if you want to accumulate points, this is the way to go. These deals are still valid. Today is Thursday, and they should be valid through Saturday. So if you go online and you see anything on here that I bought, feel free to go online and check out if it's still up there. And also, as I'm putting this up, Walgreens is having an 18% off your total purchase for the New Year's of 2018. So that will be an awesome deal on top of it. So I'm just gonna get right into it because I've talked for like 5 minutes. So let's just get started.
Alright guys, here's my box. I'm not gonna hold it the whole time because it's really big. So I'm just gonna try and open it. I think this is the bottom. Wow, I should have put that first. Oh my god! I'm so excited. Alright, I'm gonna put this on now.
Alright guys, I'm so excited to show you this. So I have my receipt right here, so I can tell you guys all the prices if you guys want to go on Walgreens and get some of these deals. So first I'm going to show you the biggest products, and I actually ordered more of these because it's such a great deal, and my mom wanted me to stock up on them so she doesn't have to go and buy them. So I'll explain the deal in a second. This is what I got. I got 2 big packs of these Bounty paper towels. This is the 6-pack. So I got 2 of these. I'm not going to show you both, but anyways, these are on sale for $4.99, which is already a really good deal. I think originally they're like ridiculously priced at over like $12. So $4.99 is already an amazing deal. When you spend $10 on certain products, so there's Bounty, Tide, Gain, I think, you can see when you go online, when you spend $10 on those products, you get 3,000 points back, which is equivalent to $3. So I got 2 of these. They're $4.99. I also got some other products related to the deal, so that's how I got my 3,000 points back. And then they also have the 18% off for the new year. So on top of all that, it comes out to like, I don't even know. I'm not even gonna try and figure it out. I got 2 packs right now, and I actually ordered 9 more packs. It should be coming tomorrow, but I'm not gonna do a haul video for it. So yes, I stocked up on these. Next is these Bounce fire sheets. Wow, I just blinked. So these are on sale this week. These are also part of the bot spend 10 get 3,000 points back. So these are on sale for $4.99 online, and then there's a $2 like coupon that you just clip and then it applies to your checkout. So that brings it down to $2.99, and then on here it says I got it for $2.09. So I don't know if that includes the 18% discount, but $2. Next, I got these nice Ultra Dish tablets. These are the fresh set, and there's 20 in each pack. I got 4 packs. They were buy one get one free for $3.99, which is already a good deal. And then of course the 18%. So for all 4 of these, I ended up spending $6.56. Next is these nice all-purpose cleaners. This is the Walgreens brand. This is cleans and disinfects in one step. This is the 1 quart size. These were on clearance for $1.99, and then obviously the 18% discount. So I got 3 of these for $4.89. Next is a personal care product. It's the Yes to Cucumber Soothing Night Cream. This was on clearance for $4.59, and it's originally priced at over $15. After the 18% discount, it was $3.76. Next, I got 2 packs of Bic razors. So this is the Bic Soul something, I don't know. This is there's 4 in this pack, and then I got just one of the a 2 pack of the like disposable ones. So these aren't like a great deal, but since I had so many points to use and I need razors, I only have a couple packs, I decided to do it. So these are $6.79, and there was a coupon, like a clippable coupon, I believe, for $4 off plus the 18% off. So this came out to be $1.57, which is a pretty good deal since I do need razors. And then this was $1.99, and it says it came out to 81 cents. I don't know how that happened, but hey, I'm not gonna complain. Next and last is these toothbrushes. This is the Colgate 4 value pack. Again, I got these because we need toothbrushes, and this isn't really the best deal, but these were $4.29 for the 4 pack, and then with the 18% discount, it was $3.52. I think less than $1 for toothbrushes is pretty good, so I just got them because I know we needed them. So I can't really show you guys too much because there's a lot of personal information on here, but my total came out to $37.73, and I used $35 in balance rewards points. So I spent what, like $2.73 on all of these products, which I think is pretty great. Again, it always differs from person to person depending on how many points you have on your family needs, but I decided to just show you guys what I got. If you guys want to go and grab these deals, you have a few days left to do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more videos like this, please let me know. I love sharing the deals I get with you. I also be doing like Target clearance because I always go to Target. I hope this wasn't too confusing for people that don't coupon. I kind of seem to like ramble on because I know what like I'm talking about, but I realize not everybody does. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please go check out those great deals at Walgreens, walgreens.com, and I will see you guys later. Bye.